Have you ever wondered how top crypto traders make a lot of money from trading? Well, I've studied everything you need to know about crypto trading, and in this video, I will share with you how you can start crypto trading and become a profitable trader in just 6 steps. I got into crypto early 2017, but I didn't start trading until the end of 2017. And these 6 steps I'm about to share with you are the exact steps I followed when I wanted to get started. If you're interested in becoming a successful and profitable trader, make sure you watch this video till the end, because this video contains all information you need to become a successful and profitable trader. My name is Julius, and on this channel, I make videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how to manage your money, how to invest, and every other thing you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, kindly like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. The first step of getting into crypto trading is to do your research. When I wanted to start crypto trading, this was the first thing I did. I got to discover cryptocurrency through a friend in 2017, and I started doing research on my own about everything related to crypto and how it works. So this made me understand the kind of risk involved in crypto trading. During this period, I watched a lot of videos and read a lot of books, articles, and blog posts that are related to crypto trading. I was so curious and wanted to know if crypto trading was going to worth it for me and if it is something I can actually venture into. So after my thorough research and proper knowledge, I made up my mind to venture into crypto trading at the end of 2017. The reason I'm actually telling you all of this is that doing research will make you have a deep insight about crypto trading, the risk related, how to manage it, and some other important things, so that you can know if crypto trading is meant for you or you have the ability to venture into crypto trading. It is also important that if you cannot take huge risks, then crypto trading is definitely not for you. So ensure you do thorough research. Don't just jump into crypto trading because of the success story you've seen online. It is your research that will help you to decide if crypto trading is for you or not. You might want to ask me that, how can I do my research before venturing into crypto trading? Well, doing your research is as simple as going on Google to search for everything crypto trading related. Like, what is crypto trading? What do I need to know before going into crypto trading? The risk and benefit associated with crypto trading, and many other crypto trading related questions. These are basic research that you can do by yourself before going into crypto trading. You can get all this information for free on platforms like Google, YouTube, and many others. And before we proceed, it is important for you to also know that crypto trading is not when you buy and hold a particular coin for a long period of time with the hope that it will increase in price. This is investing. Investing is different from crypto trading. Crypto trading is simply buying and selling crypto for profit, or in future trading where you can long or short different cryptocurrency, and you can do this multiple times in a day or in a month. So crypto investment is long term while crypto trading is short term. It is important for you to know the difference between these two terms. And the second step to start crypto trading is to learn. Learning is the journey that transforms curiosity into wisdom. It is the effort that you put into learning something that will determine your success in that particular thing. And this is also applicable to crypto trading. If you want to be a successful crypto trader, then you have to research, learn, practice, then that is when you can start making money. So as for me, after making adequate research, I decided to venture into crypto trading. And the next thing was to start looking for how to learn crypto trading. At first, I was doing self-teaching. I was doing the trial and error method. And during this period, I was losing a lot of money, which is not so good. So I proceeded to start learning from YouTube videos. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to do crypto trading, and at the same time, I was learning trading strategies from different YouTubers. And with time, I started buying crypto trading courses online. I learned technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, market dynamics, trading strategy, the psychology of trading, security measures, and many other things. I did this for many months before I started making profits from crypto trading. I'm not even going to lie, I lost a lot of money before I started making profits from crypto trading. There was a time I lost some money and I was not able to leave my room for like 3 days. And this was because I started with self-teaching before I started learning online. So if you think you can just jump into crypto trading and start making money after a few days or 1 week, then crypto trading is not for you. Don't even try it. So it takes time to become a profitable crypto trader. It doesn't happen overnight. No successful trader becomes profitable or becomes a professional after 1 week or 1 month. It takes time before anyone can start making profit from crypto trading. So you need to be able to dedicate the time to go through the learning process before you can start making profits from crypto trading. You know the funniest thing? Despite the fact that I have been trading for almost 7 years now, I am still learning. So if you are looking to make fast money, or you think you can just get into crypto trading now and start making money in the next few days or 1 week, then crypto trading is not for you. So if you want to learn about crypto trading, there are various ways you can start learning, but I will advise that you should start with free YouTube videos. You don't have to start spending a lot of money on buying trading courses at the beginning. Start with free YouTube videos because there are a lot of YouTube videos, including the ones on my channel, that can guide you on basic trading and help you become a profitable crypto trader. If you do not have enough money to get a trading course or to go for one-on-one coaching, no problem, you can start with free YouTube videos. And if you have money to get a trading course or a mentor, which is good, then you can go for that. Above all, it is important to learn very well before starting your crypto trading journey. I don't want you to lose a lot of money like I did when I was starting out. So ensure that you learn very well before starting. If you are still watching, kindly subscribe and like this video so that others can see it and benefit from it. I would also like to have 500 likes on this video. So please like and help me get to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. The third step of starting crypto trading is to practice. There is a popular saying that says practice makes perfect. So as a beginner, after you've done your research, learn the important things you need to learn, and also taking few courses on trading, the next thing before thinking about making money is to start practicing everything that you've learned. And this is very, very important because you can only get better at something if you keep practicing it every time. And when you are practicing, make sure to start with small amount of money. I mean an amount of money that you can afford to lose. Don't forget that you are still practicing and you are not a pro. So your focus shouldn't be on making money at this point. But if you are making money while practicing, that is a plus. Don't put too much money when practicing. This is very important. Just put in an amount that you can afford to lose. The main goal and objective of this stage is to be able to master whatever you've learned and be very good at it. Make sure that you record all your trades. Yes, you can actually get a book and write everything down so that you can always come back to learn from it. And when you are at the practicing stage, don't rush into future trading because future trading is riskier than spot trading. Start with spot trading and master it very well. So by the time you want to move into future trading, it will be easier for you. In future trading, if you are not careful or you are in a hurry to make quick money, you can destroy your portfolio. Start with simple one, which is the spot trading, and you can later move on to the future trading. The fourth step to become a profitable crypto trader is to develop your trading strategy. This is the next thing to do after you've practiced everything that you've learned. Because trading without a plan is a very bad decision that you can make while trading. You can lose a lot of money if you do not develop your trading strategy. You might want to ask me that, how do you create a trading strategy? Well, considering the fact that you have practiced a lot, then you would have tested different strategies, different indicators, and many other things. And in the third step, I also told you to always record your trades. So these are the things that you put together to develop your trading strategy. You have to identify what works for you while you were practicing. It is very wise to keep doing whatever is working for you. You don't need to copy someone's strategy. Define a trading strategy that aligns with your trading goals and your risk tolerance. You also have to determine the type of cryptocurrency you want to trade. You have to clarify whatever you aim for, be it short-term profit, long-term growth, or the combination of both. You need to determine the frequency of your trading, your entry and exit points, the risk-reward ratio of each trade, and ensure that the potential profit outweighs the potential loss. In summary, create a trading strategy and stick to it. Avoid FOMO, and that's fear of missing out. Probably you want to enter a trade and you didn't enter it, you now see that that trade is actually doing well. You don't have to regret, just let it go. You can always enter some other trades. Because if you say, okay, you now want to enter it, you might lose your money. So avoid FOMO. This is very, very important if you are going into crypto trading. You have to avoid the fear of missing out. Step 5 is to increase your capital. After you've developed a trading strategy that is working for you, the next thing is to increase your capital. Remember, I told you in step 3 that you should use little money. But since you have now practiced several times and also developed a trading strategy, it is now important for you to increase your capital so that your profit can also increase, because the higher the capital, the higher the profit, and this will even make trading easier for you. If you have large capital, you can trade for a very short time and make huge profit compared to someone that have little capital. Once you have a strategy that is working for you, it is very wise to increase your capital. Step 6 is to have a target. Personally, this has helped me greatly. As a crypto trader, you need to have a target, a very realistic one though, because having a weekly, monthly, and annual target is one of those ways to easily achieve your trading goals. How do you create a target for yourself? Let's say you plan to make $36,000 every year from crypto trading. What you should do is that you should divide the $36,000 into 12. That means in a month you should target to make $3,000. Then proceed to divide this $3,000 into 4. And this will give you $750 every week. The main purpose of doing this is that splitting $36,000 into $750 weekly targets will make it look more easy and more achievable for you. Always have it at the back of your mind to set realistic targets. You shouldn't have a capital of $100 or $200 and have a target of making $3,000 every week. That is not realistic. And at the end of the day, you might even lose all your money. So make sure to set a realistic target. Starting crypto trading might look so difficult, but by following all the 6 steps that I've mentioned in this video, you can become a profitable crypto trader. You have to remember to do your research, learn, practice, develop your trading strategy, increase capital, and have a target. Trading crypto is not a quick scheme. It takes little time and you need to be patient and ready to learn. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel, and link will be in the description below. Kindly like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.